Nose sign and symptoms pa rin po tayo, nose ache. Yan. Pag sumasakit po ang ating mga ilong, excluding acute invasion of wind heat, nose ache may be due to phlegm heat in the lungs, lung qi deficiency or lung and spleen qi deficiency. Nose ache due to phlegm heat in the lungs is accompanied by a sticky yellow nasal discharge, a redness of the nose, and a cough with expectoration of the sticky yellow phlegm. When due to lung qi deficiency, nose ache is accompanied by a watery nasal discharge and spontaneous sweating, weak voice, and empty pulse. Chronic lung and spleen qi deficiency with retention of dampness in the nose also may cause nose ache, in which case there is a sticky white nasal discharge and often loss of the sense of smell. Summary: nose ache, acute invasion of wind heat, nose ache with aversion to cold, fever, body aches, and throating pulse. Phlegm heat in the lungs, nose ache with sticky yellow nasal discharge, red nose, cough with expectoration of sticky yellow phlegm. Pag lung qi deficiency, so dull nose po yun, dull nose, ache, watery nasal discharge, spontaneous sweating, weak voice, empty pulse. Lung and spleen qi deficiency with dampness, nose ache with sticky nasal discharge, loss of sense of smell. If invasion of wind heat, nose ache, there is runny nose, aversion to cold, fever, cough, sore throat, stuffed or runny nose with yellow discharge, headache, body ache, slight sweating, slight thirst, swollen tonsil, tongue slightly red on the side, in the chest area or in front part, floating rapid pulse. Phlegm heat in the lungs. So nose ache, sticky yellow nasal discharge, red nose, working cough with profuse sticky yellow or green sputum, shortness of breath, wheezing, a feeling of oppression of the chest, a feeling of heat, thirst, insomnia, agitation, red and swollen tongue with a sticky yellow coating. So ang pulso po niyan ay slippery and rapid. Pag lung and spleen qi deficiency naman po, nose ache, watery nasal discharge, decreased sense of smell, sneezing, poor appetite, slight abdominal distension after eating, tiredness, lassitude, pale complexion, weakness of limbs, loose stool, slight depression, tendency to obesity, slight shortness of breath, slight cough, weak voice, spontaneous daytime sweating, dislike to speak, propensity to catching cold, dislike of cold, pale tongue, empty pulse, especially on the right side. So right side po yung empty pulse niya. Thank you po for your attention.